The system didn't just fail Jocelyn. Her own mother led the betrayal. Recall Kelly Smith, manipulative, remorseless, and according to experts, the mastermind behind her daughter's disappearance. But who is she really, and how did we get here? Part one, I'm going to deal with the legal snapshot. I'm going to deal with the background and the substances, evaluation, and other things. So the first part, let's start with the facts. Kelly Smith is the one of the three accused of the kidnapping and trafficking of a 6-year-old daughter, Jocelyn Smith. During sentencing, a brutal report by the probation officer pulled no punches. She wasn't just complicit, she's the architect, the manipulator, and the mastermind. The court was clear this wasn't negligence, it was betrayal. Kelly's story changes depending on the day. She claimed she was rejected by her biological parents, but that was a lie, and the probation officer told us that this was a lie. She said she had never met her dad. Another lie. Her mother was only 17 when she had Kelly Smith, and her grandparents legally adopted her. But she still had consistent contact with her mother, her stepdad, and the biological dad, all of whom emotionally and financially supported her. She tried to spin the narrative, Usisi. She said she was abandoned, but that was not the truth. Her family was there, and they were the ones who were calling her out, who were saying she's lying. Her grandmother, her aunt, and the mother says Kelly Smith is manipulative. They had been dealing with her cruelty and drug abuse for years. So let us get to the substances and the violence. Kelly had been on a 20 spiral of dagga and crystal meth. She finished her grade 12. I guess that is why she's always writing. I don't know. By the time she hit the streets, it was all meth, manipulation, and mayhem. She had been in rehab. She was kicked out of homes and reported for child abuse. She was reported for child abuse. She verbally, emotionally, physically abused her own grandmother, and the grandmother had to evict her. She slapped her kids. She screamed at her elders. The files are loaded with accusations of verbal and physical abuse, and the courts believe them. Even when she was in shelters, her calm demeanor only showed up